President Tinubu, a very good friend of yours, said recently that, last week I guess, that anybody who cannot see any of his achievements needs a pair of eyeglasses. What do you have to say to that?
You see, I don't like what I want them to do with his age. Let him not, when I say president now, they said, let all those his aides, all those jobless people without character who are talking because of their stomach, let them go to Karimu Market. Let them go to Zuba. Let them go to Guagua. Let them go to all those markets to use mic. The economy of Nigeria is best. Let us clap for our president, President Tinubu. Just to go around the market now. Don't want you sitting in the television using Zoom. So I hear them say, because you can pay for airtime, because you have a right to get social media this to carry what you are saying. Why are you telling us, sir? Why are you telling us? Why are you telling your children that there is food in the house? Their children will know that there is food. You don't need to say it. Mr. President, I am begging you, sir. Recruit, don't go with security. Recruit your media, your SAs. Let them go to, I did not say that you should go to other states, to start from Abuja here. Go to Zuba. Go to Kubwa Market. Go to other suburbs. Go, just go. Don't go with any police. I hear them saying, don't go with any police. I hear them saying, you can see that they will buy yam. They will even give you foul. They will even spray this thing. Just go, Mr. President. Go and tell them that the economy is anybody who is not seeing it. Why are you disturbing our life? So I don't want to go into that. I've given them assignments. And the two, allow this election to be free and fair. Stop using all these people to be killing other political positions, so that people will clap for you. People will respond to you.
We'll come to that. But are you saying, Chief Maxwell,
this is the worst government I've ever seen. I'm over 50 years. 50 years of strong activism. You call them, Mr. President, my friend. These are one of the persons that we are looking at as a student. When I was a student in Nadeko, Professor CIA, Ganefa Emi, Femi Falana, Professor Edward Oproji, Comrade, Senior Comrade, Palamede, Tinubu. I can name them. These are the people that we are looking at. I can tell you, when I started knowing government, that was when Shagari was this. I can tell you the government that we have had. This is the worst. This is the worst.
But this government has unified the exchange rate. They've subsidized. They've removed crude oil fuel subsidy, and the states are getting so much money. So are you saying
he's only empowering criminals that call themselves state governors and what have you, members of the National Assembly? No, those criminals without conscience. That's the people that is sustaining empowering. Yesterday, 2 of my cars. 156,000 naira. 156,000 naira.
What?
Fuel.
Okay, to fill them up.
The 2 of my cars. 156,000 naira.
For both or for each?
For both of them.
For both of them.
I hear them saying 156,000 naira. Because I need to fuel them so that I hear them saying, what is my income? A man with how many children? You know what I'm saying? And you are telling me that you are doing well. Have you seen a country that run a government without removing fuel subsidy? Peter B said that he will remove fuel subsidy. I think he said that he will remove fuel subsidy. We are not asking you to remove fuel subsidy. What we are asking is to remove the corruption in the fuel subsidy. You cannot rob us. You are empowering all those criminals. There are some states that, as allocation is coming, you see all those grade change this thing coming to convert it in dollars. They shift it in their houses. People without conscience, pensioners are dying, local government workers are dying, FCT teachers, I don't know whether they have started, workers going on strike, and they are saying, I build a 4 coastal road. Who are those? Who cares? But somebody, this one 80s, this one 80s, this one 80s, looted Abia for 24 years. Somebody came in less than 3 years. And
but the president and his team are saying they've stabilized the foreign exchange. It's about 1,300. No, hold on, that's one. Second, they've brought down the rate of inflation. You know, they've brought down unemployment. Our unemployment rate figures is about the same as UK or France, about 3 or 4%, because the Bureau of Statistics use a new methodology and all of that. Are those not?
You see this grammar you're saying? Do you know? Can you tell your grandmother or your mother in the village what he's talking about exchange rate? He has never heard that grammar. You don't even know what they're talking about.
Inflation rate.
Or inflation rate. But what he's only telling you is that from your house in the village to market, where she normally pay 20 naira, that she's now paying 500 naira. That is what your mother is telling you in the village. Saying, please, if you are sending money again, that 10,000 you used to spend, please make it 50,000 naira. Because that place I normally go, they are now collecting 2,000 naira. And they are telling your mother exchange rate. I know, that's why I said, go now, go. Why are you telling us? You are telling me because you feel that I have seen dollar before, I have seen pounds before. Somebody who somebody who is selling a farmer, a local farmer, who cannot go to the farm as a result of insecurity, and they are telling him exchange rate.